I was taken to the airfield from the age of about 7 or 8 because my parents used to go gliding. Going up in a glider was a real treat for me, but it became very normal. One day somebody said, why don't you be a pilot and do what is essentially your hobby for a living? I've been at Virgin Atlantic a number of years. We implemented the role of the fuel efficiency pilot and I undertook that role for about 7 years. Pilots can have a large impact on fuel efficiency during the flight in all different phases. Taxiing out to the runway, we can taxi with reduced engine taxi, so if we've got a 4-engine aircraft we can taxi with just 2 engines started, and on the aircraft I fly, the A330, we just start 1 engine. In flight, the pilots will always try and request the most efficient climb profile possible, looking for the optimum altitude. Every pilot has an iPad issued to them and we have an application on there which we can upload an electronic copy of our flight plan, which is as accurate as it can be and up to date, looking for the most fuel efficient flight plan available. And we can upload the latest weather, the latest winds. I'm very proud to be a captain at Virgin Atlantic. It's a very responsible job. Every route is different, every day is different and brings its challenges, and I really relish that side of the job.